I've heard it 1,000 times. Someone will buy a container of miso, they'll make miso soup, and then ask themselves, what else is miso good for? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make an amazingly delicious, sweet and savory, umami-packed miso ginger salad dressing, all in less than 5 minutes. If you're wondering how to get more uses out of this incredibly versatile yet underutilized ingredient, this is the video for you. So let's do this. To make the miso dressing, we'll start by adding 1 tablespoon or 20 grams of white or yellow miso to a small bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters seasoned rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of mirin, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of lime juice, 1 teaspoon or 7 grams of honey, 1/2 teaspoon or 3 grams of grated ginger, 1 small clove of grated garlic, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Whisk until everything is thoroughly combined. Then, while whisking, slowly drizzle in 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of toasted sesame oil and 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of a neutral oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but canola, grapeseed, peanut, they all work as well. Whisk until everything is emulsified and you're done. This Japanese-inspired dressing works with really any salad. Today I've got arugula, some radicchio chiffonade, thinly sliced pear, and toasted walnuts. Now, white miso is moderately salty with just a hint of earthy sweetness, and the mirin and honey are both sweet, so all of these flavors balance the peppery arugula and the bitterness of the radicchio quite well. The pear also adds just a touch of sweetness, and the walnuts give the salad some crunchy texture. I know it's super simple, but this dressing is a really great way to stretch that container of miso that's gathering dust at the back of your fridge. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any requests. And be sure to check out some of the other videos in the playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care.